Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Young and I'm a creative. And welcome, hi. This is a surprise video. So if you didn't catch my earlier video from last week, I'll link it up here somewhere. I wasn't going to get a Redbird vintage box this month. I decided to cut some costs, especially with how much jewelry I had bought the previous month, and I decided I wasn't going to get the box. So this video is as much a surprise to me as it is to you. As it turns out, it took me a whole year of filming Redbird vintage box unboxings to get a free box with y'all using my code. Thank you so much. I'm amazed that even happened. But then the awesome happened. Y'all bought me a free box within a month. I can't believe it. Within a month. Right, Lily? Oh my goodness. So anyways, y'all bought me a free box within a month. That is amazing. That is spectacular. I can't even, yeah, wow. I got really good feedback from the video, the Can I Beat the Box video. I'll link that up here too. And I really hope that y'all saw worth in this box from that video. I really hope that's what spurred that, because that is amazing. That turnaround, that is awesome. Here it is. I do have a Redbird vintage box for this month. And you know, I all of a sudden got a shipping notice and I emailed the ladies. I was like, hey, I'm not getting one this month. And they're like, oh, we forgot to email you. You are getting one this month. You earned a free box. So, wow, just thanks everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's amazing. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and exciting. So because I didn't know I was getting this box, this has no requests. So I've wanted to do one of those no request videos, but I've always I have no self-control. So it's almost impossible for me to do it. And I just know myself. If I see something, I'm going to request it. I am. And so because I didn't know I was getting the box, there is no requests in here. So we get to see how they did without me doing any requests, which is awesome. I wanted to do one of those videos. I love everyone's videos that are like that, but I just, self-control, me, not friends. So there are gonna be add-ons in here. I did buy add-ons before I decided to skip a month, but yeah, no requests. Let's see how they did. All right, here we go. Cut. I think that is the only tape this month. All right, here we go. We're gonna open her up. Ooh, a lovely little bundle. Looks like my flare piece flew off. All right, let's check it out. Oh, please hold. Okay, here is my flare piece. It is this beautiful little milk glass clip-on earring. It actually goes great with what I'm wearing right now. It's very pretty. Ugh, actually wish I had the full pair. Nice heavy bag this month. All right, here we go. Okay, first item. Okay, this is an add-on item. So this is a silly, wonderful add-on item, and I'm so excited about it, okay? This is amazing. So I picked up this silly little dog brooch. Oh my goodness, it's a big old poodle. Ugh, so great. It's probably like rabbit fur mink or something like that. And the reason I got this was because I have puppies for this brooch. That's right, y'all. I have a mama puppy and little baby puppies. How silly and ridiculous and conversation piece fun is that, okay? That is over the top in all the right ways. All right, next item. Oh, this is an add-on as well. Ooh. So, as I say in the beginning of the video, my name is Catherine Young and I'm a creative and I do all kinds of creative stuff. So I thought getting this artist palette, oh, it's very reflective. Ooh, pretty. Would just be perfect for me. So I love this. It's also nice and big, so it's really gonna show up on whatever I wear. I love that. Ooh, I think this is so cute. So this looks like it is by Renoir? Not sure, but oh, I really like that. I'm gonna wear that. Okay, next item. Oh, okay, this is an add-on item. All right, so on their website, they just have add-on items and they have like little pictures of them, right? This add-on item, there was no picture. The picture wasn't loading. But looking at the description of it, I was like, I have to get this add-on item. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I have to get it. And oh my goodness, y'all, I am not disappointed at all. This is so cool. Wow. Oh my goodness. So it has a little sign that says Old Absinthe Hall. And then it's got like a little building, little curtained building. Then it's got like party people. Then it's got a teacup. Oh my God, y'all, I love teacups. If you know me, you know I love teacups. And then, oh my God, it has a Pirate's Alley charm. Holy crap. This is so much cooler than I ever thought it was going to be. And here's the thing, I don't really super like charm bracelets, but I'm gonna make an exception for this one because it's just so bitchin'. Oh my goodness. That is so groovy. It also does have a mark. I can't read it though. But oh my gosh, I can't believe it has pirate stuff and a teacup. Oh my gosh, this makes me really happy. Really happy. It's really neat. I've never seen anything like it. Oh, and it looks like the mark on this is Coro. Okay, I believe those are all the items that I ordered for add-ons. So I think from here on out, I think these are curated. Ooh. Now I don't think I bought this as an add-on, but I might have. Either that or they just did that good a job at curating it because this is so me. Look at that. It's really got like an antique-y kind of vibe. It's spooky and organic. It's heavy in silver. It's got all the detail I love to wear in jewelry. Ooh, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one on for sure. Oh yeah, that is a good length. That's gonna be good for stacking. Yeah, I like it. It's like I can't even take anything I'm wearing serious because of the puppy brooches. I think I need to take them off. All right, so the next item in the bag. Ooh, this is a very 70s pendant. Look at this one. That is a very, very rockin' pendant. Ooh, and that one's stamped on the bottom as well. Ooh, this is an Avon. Sometimes I really like the Avon necklaces. Sometimes I think they really just hit it out of the park. And you know what's great? I can even stack it with what I'm wearing right now. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, I like this one. This one is very much a statement piece. I definitely think that I will be wearing this one. This one is really rock and roll. I really like this. So good. All right. Next thing in the bag. Ooh, this is little. Oh, I really like these. Oh. Oh goodness, in my last video I was just saying that I need to get more baby pink jewelry, and these clip-ons are little baby pink earrings. How great. Oh, and they have like the little plasticky leaves and they kind of look like a bundle of berries. Oh, how wonderful. Oh, I really like those. I really, really like those. I'm even wearing baby pink earrings right now, so these are so great. Oh, I'm gonna put these on. I really like these. Yeah, look at, they just look so good. I love the older clip-on earrings. I feel like they just have, you know, more of a pop, more of a statement in a lot of modern earrings, and they're fun. They're so much fun. Oh my goodness, I love those. All right, next thing in the bag. Ooh. Whoa, that is really neat. The first word that comes to mind is regal. This is very regal. It is marked on the back, Cadoro. I'm not sure, but that's what it says. It is a beautiful brooch. It's got that really beautiful, like the blue is almost like, it almost looks like water. I don't know if that's a real stone. I feel like that's a fake stone, but it because of the modeling in it, it looks kind of like water, and the outside edges and that gilding, it just, yeah, regal is like the only word I can come up with this. It's very regal, very different. I haven't seen anything like this. I really like this one. Okay, next item. Ooh, this is the big one. Ooh, okay, this is right up my alley. This bracelet is very me. Yeah, this is a very me bracelet. Yeah, oh yeah. This is super me. Okay, let's see, where's the opening? If this would have been a choice to request, or maybe it was, I just didn't do any requests. I would have requested this. This is super duper me. This is the kind of bracelet that I love to wear to concerts, which let's just all hope everything goes back to normal and concerts happen again. Here, let's see if I can get this on there. It's a little tight on me, which usually doesn't happen. I usually have a pretty small wrist comparatively to a lot of jewelry. Actually, this might be too small on me. I think this one might be too small, but I really like this. This was a total hit. It just actually, I think it's too small for me. But this is something that I would have requested, and I love it so much. So this was a great job curating. It just actually is slightly too small on my wrist. I think there's one more item in here. All right. Oh, and it's the matching earrings to that bracelet. Oh, it's a duet. Oh, dang it. Oh, no. Okay, so I love a good set moment. I love the idea of having the earrings with, you know, a matching bracelet, or a necklace with the earrings, or a necklace with the bracelet. I love that. It means a lot to me. So, oh, bummer. Ooh, it also looks like one of these earrings is a little cracked. So, ooh, yep. So these stones are like plasticky, little plastic stones. So it looks like this one might have got cracked in transit a little bit. But, oh, I'm bummed about that set because I really do like it. It is so my style. That is it. Oh my goodness. So that is my first Redbird vintage box with no requests. And it only happened because I didn't think I was getting one this month. So, oh my gosh, thank you everyone who picked up a box this past month, started your subscription. It was so kind of you to use my code to do that, to let me get a free box. That's flippin' amazing. So yeah, what do you think? What was your favorite piece? I don't know. I really love this absinthe bracelet. That was an add-on, which I picked out without even seeing what it looked like. I also love my paintbrush. I love the necklaces I'm wearing. I really love this set. I think I might see what I can do to try to make this work because I really love this set. I think it's great with the earrings. And I mean, this brooch, right? Oh my God. So yeah, it's hard to pick a favorite. Oh, and then I'm sorry, I didn't mention the poodle. I love the poodle. I'll be wearing the poodle. Oh my goodness. Yeah, wonderful. So I hope you liked this little bonus video this week here. Definitely not planned. So it was a surprise to me too. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe and stick around. I would love to have you around. I'm growing the channel here. We're growing it. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I would really love to get it to 1,000 subscribers this year. I really believe that creatives and people who put things out into the world should get compensated for that. And right now, if you're seeing ads in front of my videos, I'm not getting any compensation for that. So I do need to hit 1,000 followers for that to happen. So thank you for helping me out to get this box. But if you want to help me get to 1,000, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out as well. And yeah, okay, I will talk to you all soon. And goodness, so just thank you. Thank you. I'm just gonna keep saying it over and over again. Thank you. Okay, bye y'all. Oh, so I didn't read my card, and it says, "Dear Catherine, we hope you love your box this month. You commented on these pink earrings on Instagram, and it's not normally something we would pick for you, but we thought, hey, let's take a chance." And well, I super duper love these pink earrings. So yay, that's exciting that they figured that out. Yay. All right. Why do I feel so crooked today? I don't know. Is this normal? Kitty kitty? You gonna help Mom get over her headache? Yeah? Come here. You give me a big hug. Oh, good girl. Big hugs. Big hugs. Is the thumb up weird? The thumbs up feels weird. Ooh, okay. Oh, here is my flare piece. Oh, whoop. The jewelry is everywhere and okay. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to get, I might not be able to get that on, so okay. What is that? I need to buy a jewelry loop. I just need to suck it up and get one. Oh, well, we did it.